Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and real-world breakdowns. Today, we're looking at what we consider the best side mirror heated replacement glass on the market. The SCITOO exterior mirror driver side glass replacement, specifically made for various Chevy and GMC models. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, SCITOO delivers a simple yet well-protected package. Inside, you get a single unit, the left side mirror glass, with a pre-attached 4.33-inch mounting backplate. That means installation is going to be quick, clean, and hassle-free. If you're someone who enjoys saving on repair costs and taking a DIY approach, you'll appreciate how intuitive this is to install. What sets this product apart is its heating function. This is a critical feature for those who live in cold or wet climates. You won't have to worry about fog or frost building up on your mirror anymore. The heating system works seamlessly with your vehicle's power mirror controls. No need to add switches or hack into your wiring. It's plug and play with compatible models. Speaking of compatibility, this mirror fits a wide range of vehicles. It's built for GM trucks and SUVs from 1999 all the way up to the classic 2007 models. That includes Silverado 1500, 2500 HD, 3500, Avalanche, Suburban, Tahoe, Sierra, Yukon, and Cadillac Escalade models within that year range. Just make sure your original mirror had the power heated feature. This mirror is made to directly replace units with that same functionality. As for the build quality, SCITOO uses ABS plastic for the housing, which gives it good durability while keeping the mirror lightweight. The actual mirror surface is crystal clear and convex, which improves visibility and reduces blind spots while maintaining OEM-level clarity. There's no turn signal integration or advanced features like blind spot indicators, and that's by design. SCITOO made this product for straightforward replacements that maintain your vehicle's stock functionality. If you're not looking to upgrade but simply want a solid, reliable replacement, this is it. You're essentially getting dealership-level replacement without the dealership-level markup. And here's something else to appreciate. SCITOO emphasizes reliability. This isn't a generic mirror off some unknown supplier. It's purpose-built, tested, and clearly optimized for GM trucks and SUVs from that era. If you're a daily driver, someone who uses their truck for work, or just someone who can't deal with an iced-over mirror every morning, this heated glass is a lifesaver. If your mirror got damaged, fell out, or the heating element just stopped working, this replacement is a no-brainer. In short, it's affordable, effective, easy to install, and does exactly what it says it does. That's why we're calling it the best side mirror heated replacement glass you can get today. And that wraps up today's review. If you found this helpful, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.